Hey my friends, today I wanted to take just a second to introduce you to something that I think might be a great gift idea if you're still looking for someone that needs a gift for Christmas or a gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day, a graduate. Honestly, this would be perfect for anybody. It is a 4-in-1 wireless handheld vac. This is perfect for home or your car, and it is made by xCOOL. I want to show you some of the great things that this handheld vac can do. Also, it comes with a lot of little attachments that will be perfect for any situation. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you can use this awesome handheld mini vac. The website for coolgadgets.com will be listed below, but it comes in this nice box, and when you open it, it also comes in a very nice and sturdy carrying case. You can see from the size of the carrying case that it is compact. This mini vac weighs less than a pound, so this is perfect to keep in your car. You could even keep it in your glove compartment. When you open the case, you will see that it has a pouch, a mesh pouch that holds all of your accessories, and this is the vacuum itself. You can see it's about the size of a travel hair dryer, so it's very compact. It comes with 2 HEPA filters. One is inside of the vac already, and one is in the case. And this is the charging cord for the vac. It really is the ultimate clean kit. It comes with a crevice nozzle, a blow nozzle. It comes with 2 different types of brush nozzles. This is one of them. And it also comes with a vacuum nozzle. And then this next one is the other brush nozzle. It's a little bit smaller. And then finally it comes with an inflating nozzle. So you really can use this for so many different things. It's very simple to use. You just press the button and hold it, and then it turns on. And you can see that it is not very loud, but it does a really good job of suctioning. I had all these pine needles or Christmas tree needles on the floor. Normally I would use a regular vacuum, but for demonstration purposes, I wanted to show you how well this does in suctioning. But also you can use it to clean your keyboards. This is a really great tool for that. To use the blow set part, you just attach the attachment onto the back of the handheld vac. And again, you turn it on. If you hold it and turn it on, it's on the low mode. But if you press the button again, it goes into a higher, stronger blow or suction. And this is perfect for cleaning out your keyboards. It's so hard to keep your keyboards clean and dust free. So this tool is perfect to do just that. I also wanted to show you that it's great when you are cooking and you get, crumbs or whatever on your stove. This is the perfect tool to suction up things off your countertops, whether it's in the corners or on your stove, but this is a great tool for that as well. Now, I'm embarrassed to show you the extreme disaster that my car is in, but I figured this would be a perfect time to show you this crevice tool and how it's perfect for getting in those small spaces in your car. And, now obviously you would probably use something bigger to get the mats, but I wanted to show you how well it does suction things up. The brush attachments are great for getting into the areas of your car where you just need to dust. You need to get some of that dust up, and it works really great to do just that. Now, I don't know about you, but I always get crumbs in these areas, so the blow tool is perfect, and you'll see some stuff flying around in just a minute. But this is perfect, there you go, for getting all of the crumbs and the dust out from in these kind of spaces as well. Emptying the dust cup is very simple to do, and the HEPA filter is washable. Make sure to visit coolgadgets.com to see this product and many others, but I will also have a link to this item because they also have a storefront on Amazon, so I'll have that listed below as well. But I want to thank them for sending me this product to show you. I really do like it, and I'm going to keep it in my car because this has come in handy a lot since they sent it to me. I think you will be very pleased with it. And if this is going to be a gift for someone, then this will be perfect as well. So make sure to go check them out. And if you are new to my channel and you like this sort of content, then I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Click the subscribe button and click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you want to see more product reviews, then check the box you see on the screen right now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.